So right here, I have the DJI RS4 mini combo with the intelligent tracking module and the briefcase handle. So let's unbox it. First, let's peel the seal and get inside. And on the left side here, we have a box. We have an empty box. Hopefully we'll have a little bit better look on the right side, and yeah, it looks like we have some accessories here. And the first thing we have is a screw, and this is what you'll use to attach the upper plate to your camera. And off to the side here is this adjustable briefcase handle, which only comes in a combo, but it can be helpful for double-handed operation and getting some low-angle shots. It attaches with a NATO clamp and has some useful mounting points for monitors and any other accessories that you might need to attach. Now this is a tripod stand, but it also functions as an extended grip. If you attach it and keep it closed, you're able to hold it with both hands even without that briefcase handle, just in case you didn't get the combo. We've got a simple USB-A to USB-C cable for charging, the very important documentation with the usual DJI stickers. I still have so many of these from various DJI products, but I don't really know where to put them. Oh, and this is a second screw for attaching the plate to your camera, but this one has this D-ring, so you can attach it and remove it without tools. And this is a lower quick release plate which slides onto the tilt axis, and we should also have the upper quick release plate. But before that, here's the intelligent tracking module which comes with the combo that allows you to keep your subject in frame at all times. Now this is the upper quick release plate, which is a weird proprietary DJI mount, but you can get a different lower plate that fits your needs. I got this Arca Swiss one from SmallRig that allows me to use my Arca Swiss cage directly on it, but it also still allows for the DJI plate to be used. Another cable, this time it's the USB-C to USB-C one, which you can use for connecting the camera to the gimbal, so you can control it with the grip. But you can also connect it with Bluetooth if you want a cable-free experience. And now onto the main event, the DJI RS4 Mini. Oh, shh. It's much smaller and lighter than I expected. The build quality feels pretty good. It's got the metal axes over here. You got the classic DJI consumer grade plastic. There's a 1/4 inch thread at the bottom, which is where you'll attach that extended grip. We have a touchscreen here and we've got various controls. We got the joystick, the manual button, the record button. We've also got a dial on the back, a trigger, and we got these controls on the side. The left ones here are for switching the joystick functionality, and the right one is to switch between different gimbal modes. Since this is my first gimbal, I'm going to take a look at the instructions before I set it up. And I'm just going to do a very quick first time setup. I'll just attach the tripod base and it's at 35%, so I'm just going to connect it to my Anker power bank so it can charge while I set it up. And to activate it, I just need to download the DJI Ronin app on my phone, log in with my DJI account, and pair it over Bluetooth. This is my first gimbal, so I'm still learning how to use it correctly, but in the week I've had it, I've used it quite a bit, so I'm a little more confident in using it and balancing it. And DJI makes it super simple to set up. You got the automated axis lock, so you don't need to do that manually. The axes are also Teflon coated, and you've got this fine-tuning knob here, and all this together makes balancing and setup super easy. But yeah, if you want me to actually do a review of it, and also to share my experience as a first-time gimbal user, let me know in the comments below. And that's all for now. See you next time. Oh, and this video was sponsored by